Okay, so this part is really important when you're installing a Yale smart lock. You want to make sure that the cable is perfectly connected with this piece here. Now there are little ridges here on the cable that will match up with the piece on the inside. At this point, it is important to make sure that the cable that connects the interior half of the lock to the exterior half is securely connected. If the keypad doesn't illuminate after you've installed the lock, or if the battery seems like it is draining faster than normal, or the touchscreen is not being responsive, this is the first place you should check. Now the other part to make sure is that the lock section is in the upright position so that it will smoothly slide into the actual lock. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use screws provided in the installation kit to tighten these pieces. Before we go any further, we want to make sure that our lock and lock mechanism are working properly. You can see here that everything is working smoothly. We're going to close the door as well, make sure that everything lines up. Everything's good there. So now we're ready to move on to the fun part.